Should you consider the GAN 13? Here are 5 things you should know about the Cube before getting the all-new GAN 13. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Fox Cuber. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 5 features that the GAN 13 has. But before we move on, subscribe to my channel, and for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do it now.
We just care if they subscribe.
Number 5. The GAN 13 is priced at around $83 to $90. At this price point, the GAN 13 is marked to be one of the most expensive cube ever released, and GAN is known to be the apple of cubing. Number 4. It weighs 71 grams, which is actually 4 grams more than GAN 12 MAGLEV. They typically make their cubes lighter, so this is a little strange. But many claim that you can't really feel the weight difference. As for the coating, it comes in 2 variants, the frosted and the UV coating. Number 3, in order to make the edge magnets or the overall cube a little bit more balanced and smoother, they have actually reduced the strength of the MAGLEV core and some of the other magnets in the cube. Next, they have added edge magnets, which are essentially attached to the stalk of the edge. They are very similar to concerned core magnets, but instead of attracting to the core, they will repel the core. In a video, Mate Hiroto said that the cube is a little snappy. Number 2, the GES and GMS systems have both been updated. The GMS now has a 6th tier adjustment, but it only has one of the small stock magnets. Previously, you could actually switch the stock magnets out with 3 settings each, but there is only one with 6 settings. They also changed the way you adjust it. Instead of pushing a little over, you now have a wheel that you can kind of rotate, which is a really good idea. The GMS numbers are also a little bit more obvious. Number 1, there isn't too much of an update because the core has a thinner stem. As a result, the stem has a tier-like shape rather than being uniformly wide throughout. The new adjustment method that resembles the tool used to eject the SIM card tray from a phone. Honestly, I don't think the GAN 13 is much of an improvement compared to the GAN 12. Personally, I would just stay with the GAN 12 until there are major updates from GAN. The extra $20 for GAN 13 is quite debatable. Thank you for watching. Bye.